11 species in genus Correa. Falling in love with Correa, an Australian native's charm. As a native Australian, I've always been surrounded by the unique flora of this island continent. But it wasn't until recently that I truly fell in love with the understated beauty of the Correa genus. These shrubs, with their bell-shaped flowers and hardy nature, have captured my heart and earned a special place in my garden. Discovering the diversity of Correa. Correa is a genus of 11 species, all endemic to Australia. This means they're found nowhere else in the world, adding to their allure. They're part of the Rutaceae family, which also includes citrus fruits. But unlike their juicy relatives, Correa plants are known for their ornamental flowers and resilience in tough conditions. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Each species boasts unique characteristics, from the white, star-shaped flowers of Correa alba to the vibrant red, pendulous blooms of Correa reflexa. This diversity ensures there's a Correa to suit every garden and taste. Why I admire Correa. What I admire most about Correa is its resilience. These plants are tough. They can handle drought, poor soil, coastal winds, and even frost. This makes them ideal for the often harsh Australian climate, and a reliable choice for gardeners of all skill levels. But it's not just their hardiness that I appreciate. Correa flowers are simply beautiful. Their bell-shaped blooms, often in shades of red, pink, or white, add a touch of elegance to any garden. And because they flower mainly in the cooler months, they provide a welcome splash of color when many other plants are dormant. Moreover, Correa plays a vital role in the Australian ecosystem. Their flowers are a rich source of nectar, attracting birds, bees, and other pollinators. By planting Correa in my garden, I'm not only adding beauty but also supporting local wildlife. My experiences with Correa. My own journey with Correa began with a single Correa reflexa plant. I was drawn to its vibrant red flowers and the promise of a low-maintenance shrub. True to its reputation, the plant thrived, even with my occasional neglect. It bloomed profusely throughout winter, attracting a flurry of honey-eaters to my garden. Encouraged by this success, I've started expanding my Correa collection. I recently added a Correa alba for its contrasting white flowers and a Correa dusky-bells for its unique, deep red blooms. I'm eager to see how these new additions will flourish in my garden. Tips for growing Correa. If you're interested in growing Correa, here are a few tips based on my experience. Well-drained soil. Correa dislikes wet feet, so ensure your soil drains well. Sunny position. While Correa can tolerate some shade, they flower best in a sunny spot. Pruning. Light pruning after flowering helps maintain shape and encourages bushier growth. Avoid overwatering. Correa are drought-tolerant, so water only when the soil is dry to the touch. Mulching. A layer of mulch helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. The enduring appeal of Correa. In a world of fleeting trends, Correa offers a timeless appeal. Their beauty is understated, their nature resilient, and their connection to the Australian landscape profound. For me, they represent the essence of Australian native flora, tough, adaptable, and undeniably beautiful. As I continue to explore the world of Correa, I'm constantly amazed by their diversity and charm. These plants have earned a permanent place in my garden, and I encourage everyone to experience the joy of growing these Australian natives.